Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Scorpio from 13th to 19th of July 2020. This reading includes your present, your past and your future. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpion. So this is your energy this week. That is the Four of Pentacles. Well, this is showing me that, you are just trying to be safe and secure. You are trying to plan and make things ready for the future. You want to keep every area of your life fulfilled, and for that you are trying your level best. So let's see your past cards. That is the Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles reversed, and the Knight of Swords reversed. Well, your past cards are showing me that you have the skill and you are very very good at it, and you work very very hard for this. But because of the situations, because of the surroundings, or because of whatever is happening around you, you were not getting a good benefit out of your work, or whatever the hard work you are putting in. It could be in the work, it could be in the relationship, it could be, because it's a general reading, so I don't want to be specific here. So it could be anything. So there was a little bit of instability. You thought you're putting in so much hard work, but still things are not stable. They're not moving. The future is little hazy. There was lack of confidence. You didn't know what to do, but still the good thing is that you kept on working. So before seeing your present, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Your present cards are Judgment reversed, Page of Cup reversed, and Four of Swords. So I believe that I think it is because of your current energy that you are trying to keep everything. It's basically you want all the areas of your life to be 100% okay. That you want all of them to be perfect, which is not possible right now. So because of that, you might feel a little bit of disappointment, and you might feel a little bit of stress. You might also feel that you are working for these things alone. There is nobody to support you. You need somebody's help, but you might feel that nobody is going to help you out with these things. But let me tell you, all these things are just imaginary. People are there to help you. They're just waiting for a call. Yeah, so just call your friends, talk to them, and you will see that they still love you, and they care for you. Yeah, all right, moving towards your future. It is the Chariot, Two of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands reversed. Well, it's again showing me the same thing, that you need to change your attitude a little bit. You cannot have everything at one time. So whatever you have right now, try to be happy with that. Once the one area is okay, then you start working towards the second area of your life. Because if you will try to work towards everything right now, it is going to be very very difficult to balance everything. Because you are actually, because of your this kind of perspective, you are the only one who's working too much for it. So it will be a burden on you, and you might end up losing something important. You might end up having some arguments or fight with somebody who doesn't share your opinion, and that person could be somebody who's important. Could be your spouse, it could be your one of your parents, or it could be an important partner in business. So it could be anybody whose opinion is totally different right now, whose ideas do not match with your ideas. So I think you need to change your attitude little bit. Come to the compromise, come to a middle path, maybe, so that things become easier and they start giving you good results. Alright, Scorpions. Still you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. And for the detailed reading, please see the description box. Goodbye.